Hi, welcome to another edition of Tool Tips with Tony the Toolman. We're in Seattle here in our tool den, and I have Michelle from Burndy, our local rep here, and we're going to talk today about little crimping, little battery crimping, in particular the Patriot tool here from Burndy. Burndy's been around for quite a while, and honestly it's one of our high quality products we'd like to sell here at North Coast Electric, and we'd like to sell them to you, so come on in and see them. So we're going to talk about the Patriot tool here, Michelle. And this has been around for a while. It's been tried and true and tested. Can you give me some features on this?
This is our most commonly used battery tool. It's used for crimping terminations and slices, as well as grounding connectors or multiple conductor connectors, C-crimps and H-taps. This is a 12-ton tool. It has a 12-ton output force. It uses our U series of dies, which works perfectly with our inspectability system, our system cell, where our connectors match our dies, matches the conductor, and everything is fully inspectable.
So when you actually make a crimp, you should be able to see some sort of embossment on the connector?
Right. When you match your conductor to your connector, which states that that's for 4/0, the wire's 4/0, the die says 4/0, when you crimp it, it'll emboss the die code right into the compression.
Okay, good stuff. So as I recall, and that's been a while since I've used one of these, we'll put these U dies in. Let's make a crimp.
Right.
Now we just slide these in the side, is that correct?
Yep, slide them right on in the little die holders.
Okay.
They'll snap in and lock in place.
Oh, I see that. I can actually hear that. And there's a button here on the side to release those.
Right.
Maybe you could show me how that works as well.
You just depress the little button on the side here for the back die and on the top for the front die.
Okay, so on the top here, we just release them that way. Okay.
Locks in, and you know you're good to go.
Okay. So let's go ahead and put it in there. Now, what would be an appropriate way to make a connection here? Start at the back shoulder? Or?
You want to start towards the tongue and then crimp outward so that you don't get material pressing forward onto the mounting pad.
Okay, and about how long will this take to make a crimp?
It takes less than 5 seconds.
Okay, 5 seconds. And I know dang well, if you use the mechanical type, you're in for some little arm work, and certainly longer than 5 seconds. So
You're
let's
ready
give it
to
a shot. Go for
Let's
it.
give her a shot. And when you hear the audible pop, your crimp is complete and you can retract. And it retracts without using battery power to save battery for future crimping.
Wow, pretty quick, pretty easy. So we have a lot of different dies you can put in this tool, and I'm sure it has a ton of variations. We can make all types of different types of crimps. So it's a very handy tool, obviously, and being cordless, little 2.6 inch die or battery makes it easy, portable. You can throw this in a ditch, get it dirty, and do what you need to do, right?
It's for field work, and they're used in all sorts of environments, dirty, wet. We use standard batteries off the shelf. These are from Makita. We're currently using an 18-volt platform. The batteries and chargers are readily available, and the tool is sold with a high-impact case, 2 batteries, and a charger.
Quite a deal. Quite a tool. And thank you to Michelle for coming on board today on Tool Tips with Tony the Toolman. So my tool tip of the day today is, come on in. Try a Patriot tool from Burndy. Use it. You'll be very happy, very satisfied. Fast, easy, economical way to go. And remember, the dies are probably the best thing about this tool. When you're using that, make sure you get a good embossment. Inspectors love that. Come on back and see us again sometime. Thanks, Michelle, for coming on board.
Take care, Tony.
All right. Remember, be good to your tools. Your tools are good to you. See you again next time.